You got this. Sure, you could be doing real work. Sure, you could have used that psychiatry degree to get a real job. But here goes nothing. It's like Mama always said, you have to start at the bottom to get to the top. And what better way to do that than an internship at the most notorious asylum in Dirty Docks?
Hello? Yes? Who might you be?
I'm Harley Quinn, the new intern.
Ah, yes, Harley. A pleasure to meet you.
Actually, it's
Let's start the tour, shall we? These here are some of our patients. They don't cause too much trouble. Just stay away from their cells, yeah? They can be very dangerous.
What's over there?
Oh, yeah. That's our new new patients ward. Would you like to see?
Yes. Who's that?
We don't know his real name, but he calls himself the Joker.
You must have done something pretty spectacular to get yourself locked up in here, huh, Joker?
Ha! Spectacular. He's just a criminal clown. Let us depart, Harley.
Good doctor. I think you know the lady's name is Harleen Quinzel, if I recall correctly.
How did you know that?
Now, move along, Harley. Don't talk to this filthy clown. Harley, I must make this very clear to you. You are here to do paperwork and get me coffee. You do not, I repeat, not speak to the patients. Any of them. Especially not that lunatic Joker. You understand?
But...
Do you understand?
Yes.
Why are you here?
To do paperwork and bring you coffee.
And what are you not to do?
Talk to the clown.
Excellent. Let me take you to your office. You're working the night shifts from here on out.
Great. I can't wait. Do the paperwork, Harley. Bring me coffee, Harley. Don't talk to the Joker, Harley. This job sucks. What's so special about the Joker, anyway? No one around. Guess I'll go and find out for myself. What's so funny, clown?
You're late, Harleen.
Late for what?
For a visit with me. I've been so terribly lonely here.
How did you know my name?
I could tell you, but that wouldn't be much fun now, would it?
The doctor was right. You are crazy.
Crazy? Or genius? I'll tell you what, Harleen. You tell me some things that I'd like to know, and I'll tell you something you want to know. Sound like a fair deal?
Fine, but only because this is the only way I can do some real psychology work.
Excellent.
I'll be back tomorrow night. I have to go sort the papers.
I'll be patiently waiting. Oh, and Harleen, don't tell anybody about our little secret meetings, will you?
All right, I'll see you tomorrow. If you've got any issues, just call me.
Sure, Doc. Oh gosh, I shouldn't go, but I want to. But But I shouldn't. Stupid clown. Stupid paperwork. I'll go, but just this once. And then what did you say?
Then I said, he's a real sucker.
Oh, I get it. Because the octopus was stuck to his face.
Precisely. You know, Harleen, the doctor was onto something. Harley Quinn sounds just like Harlequin. You and I would make quite the pair.
Harley Quinn. I like the sound of that. You can call me Harley, and I'll call you Mr. J.
Maybe you should go back to the drawing board on that one. You'll come and see me tomorrow now, won't you?
Of course. I've got to run now, Mr. J, but I'll be back before you know it.
Oh, I'll count on it. Oh, and Harley,
Yeah, Mr. J?
you know I'm not what they say I am, don't you?
You mean a psycho-criminal killer clown? Of course, Mr. J. I know you're a good guy.
Oh, how easy this is. Make her laugh. She's putty in your hands. Tell a girl she's special, and she's yours to do with as you please. Oh, my Harley, little do you know that you're my key out of this place.
Dear Diary, today I really got somewhere with Mr. J. Oh, that's what I call the Joker now. I've grown to realize that Mr. J isn't really a criminal or a bad person. He's just a scared little boy that wants to feel loved.
I'm going home for the night. Better have all that paperwork on my desk by tomorrow morning.
Yes, sir. Where was I? Oh, yeah. I truly think that I am the only one who can fix Mr. J. I just need a little more time with him. Sorry I'm late today, Mr. J. The doc took his time leaving today.
That's quite all right, Harley. I could wait an eternity for you.
You would?
Yes, you make this place bearable. You are the ray of sunshine that I wake for in the morning. The reason for my being. Harley, I am but a man that loves you.
I love you too, Mr. J.
But we can never be together. Not while I'm in this place. This prison.
Not if I have anything to do about it.
Oh?
So, sir, I was thinking, haven't I done enough paperwork and coffee and stuff? Do you think maybe I can talk to some of the patients? Like, I don't know, maybe the Joker?
Let me get this right. You want to speak to the Joker?
Yes, sir.
If you learned nothing, I gave you simple instructions, yet you want to disobey me.
But, sir, I thought I was doing a good job with the coffees and the papers and...
And that's what you'll keep doing until I tell you otherwise. Know your place, Harley.
Yes, sir. Don't worry, Mr. J. I'm gonna get you out of here. Coffee and paperwork? Coffee and paperwork? I'll show you.
Harley. You did it.
Of course. Anything for you, Mr. J.
Anything?
Of course.
Well, in that case, I'm going to need you to do one more thing for me.
What is it, Mr. J?
Follow me, Harley.
You want me to go in here?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I need you to trust me, Harley.
I feel different. What are we doing here, Mr. J? Planning to do some late-night shopping?
You could call it that.
Mr. J, what are you doing?
Waiting on a bus, Harley. What does it look like I'm doing? I'm trying to steal this jewelry. Now, are you going to help me, or are you just going to stand there?
Why are you robbing this place? You told me you weren't a criminal.
But I have a criminal record, Harley. No job will take me.
But that's wrong.
Right, wrong, it doesn't make a difference. Now, are you going to be useful or not?
I thought you loved me. I thought we were going to be together.
Well, you thought wrong. Now get stuffing this bag full of diamonds and let's get out of here.
You clown. You lying, cheating, no good clown. I trusted you. I gave up everything to get you out of that stinking, rotten jail cell, and this is how you repay me?
Now, Harley, let's not be so rash. I made you what you are.
You didn't do nothing but break my heart. I'm out of here.
Oh, yeah? And where are you gonna go?
I'm gonna get as far away from you as I can. I'm gonna go make something of myself. You wait and see. I'm gonna be in the movies.
You'll never be anything more than my pet.
You're wrong, Mr. J. I'll show you. I'll show everyone.